Good morning, guys. This is day 1 in Pune and it's going good. I was so tired. I just came from the airport and then I slept. No, I did take bath and all. And today I woke up at 9 and I got ready for my meeting. But my hair is kind of messy because I forgot to bring my shampoo and then I had to wash my hair with soap. So let's see how Pune treats us. So we got this complimentary breakfast from the hotel. This is bread and butter and some tea to go with it and these omelets. What omelette is this? Masala omelette. Ta-da! Let's eat! Okay, bye guys. Somebody's coming and I need to go. Bye. I just finished my meeting and I'm walking back to my hotel and it started raining here in Pune. I was searching for some basic needs and I found this health card store. So I'm checking whether I'll get. No, all they have is proteins. So let's keep going. They have here is proteins in this road. There, like I came across like 3 and now again 2. Let's hope we get something. Protein store. I still didn't get my basic needs like shampoo and stuff. Guess I gotta run. I think I found a place for my basic needs. Now Christina, Christina. Yeah. Drops are coming now. Not much rain, so I think I should get going. No point wasting my time. So what happened is, you know my roomie, right? I forgot to give her the key and I have to rush back to my hotel because she's waiting out in the lobby for me. By the way, look at these flowers.